Welcome. If you want to clean up your Roblox inbox and keep your chats organized, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to archive all your chats on Roblox Web using your PC, following the latest update. This is a quick and easy way to declutter your messages without losing any important conversations. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options, but what you want to do is click on the one labeled More. This will expand a list of extra features and tools you might not use every day. Next, from the expanded menu, select Messages. This section contains all your conversations and notifications from other Roblox users. At the top of your messages list, you'll notice a checkbox labeled All. Go ahead and click this box. By doing this, you're selecting every single chat and message thread in your inbox at once, so you don't have to go through and click each one individually. Now, with all your chats selected, look for the Archive button. It should appear somewhere near the top of the Messages panel. Click on Archive, and just like that, all your selected chats will be moved out of your main inbox and into the Archive section. This helps keep your messages area neat and makes it much easier to find new or important conversations. Archiving chats is a great way to stay organized, especially if you've been on Roblox for a while and your inbox is overflowing. Don't worry, archived chats aren't deleted. You can always access them later if you need to review old messages or continue a conversation. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can archive all your Roblox chats on the web and enjoy a cleaner, more organized inbox. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.